Okay, today we're going to solve this equation with two unknowns, x minus 2y equals minus 2 and minus 8y equals minus 4x minus 8. And we want to know whether we have one solution, that's 4 minus 3, or whether there are many solutions, or whether there are no solutions, or whether it's 4 and 3. So the first thing we can do is just replace the values and see what works. X equals 4, so that's 4 minus 2 times minus 3 minus 3. That equals to 4 minus times minus, that's plus 6 equals 10, and that's not equal minus 2, right? And if you would replace it in the other equation, it wouldn't work either. Now, if you were to replace y by 3 and not minus 3, that would make 4 minus 2 times 3, 4 minus 6, and that would be minus 2. So that would actually work. This solution would work. Now, what we need to see is whether there are many solutions or there's only this solution. So the way you should always think of these type of equations, two unknown, is to try to put them on the same side, well aligned, and to look at the coefficient that you get on the x and y's. So that's what we're going to do. Here we have x, y, and a constant, and the second one we're going to try to do the same thing. So what we need to do here is take that x and put it here. And then we'll get an x here, a y here, and a constant. And if we do that, we see that minus 4x becomes 4x plus 4x. And so here we have 4 minus 8 minus 8. And in the other equation, we have 1 minus 2 minus 2. So essentially, that equation is 4 times that equation. So it doesn't get us any more information because this equation and that equation, they are really the same. That's the same constraint on x and y, because you take that equation, you multiply it by 4, and it gives you that equation. Or if you divide it by 4, you get that equation. So these equations are the same. In that case, what that means is that's one point that works, but there are many other couple of x and y's that work. And the way we can figure that out is that we can get x as a function, y as a function of x. So if we take x minus 2, y equals minus 2, and we can put y on this side, and we can switch them, we will get x plus 2 equals to y. And so by dividing by 2, we get the equation y equals x over 2 plus 1. And we can graph that here, x divided by 2 plus 1, and we'll get this line of solutions. So any point on this solution, on this line, is a solution to that equation. So the answer is many solutions.